By the end of this video, you'll be able to name all these male reproductive system parts in Spanish, which will make it easier for you to communicate with your current or future Spanish-speaking patient. Now, this male reproductive system Spanish video, goes hand in hand with the female reproductive system Spanish video. So after you complete watching this video completely, and after you have downloaded the glossary in the description below, then watch the female reproductive system video as well. The two go hand in hand, and in the future, if many of you so desire, I will create another video which will be a Spanish grammar lab based on reproductive health specifically. If this is your first time watching this video, watch it till the end. Download the free bilingual English-Spanish glossary linked in the description below this video. Then come back and watch the video again. Repeat the Spanish terms as many times as necessary for your retention and future retrieval. In this reproductive health Spanish vocabulary study, we will discuss in this order the key organs, the processes, and the common conditions. Los órganos principales, los procesos fisiológicos y las condiciones médicas asociadas. Before diving into studying the Spanish terms for the key organs, the main processes, and the common conditions, the next video will briefly discuss who will benefit the most from this series of video. This series of video about male reproductive system vocabulary and female reproductive system vocabulary will benefit all type of professionals. Both of them will benefit all type of medical professionals. The next video will briefly discuss that before we dive into studying the key terms and phrases. Patients and medical professionals from Spain, the UK, the US, Canada, and the rest of the Americas will benefit from this medical Spanish content. In the US specifically, nurses and physicians working in states with a high Spanish-speaking population, such as California, Florida, Illinois, New York, and Texas, will find this content very useful. Medical professionals in the OBGYN, midwifery, women's health, and urology fields stand to benefit the most from this bilingual Spanish content. Now, let's begin our reproductive health Spanish learning journey. Empecemos. Next, we will be discussing the essential Spanish terms of the male reproductive system. In this order, we will be discussing the key organs, the main physiological processes, and the most common disorders. Let us now discover together the key terms for the key organs of the male reproductive system. Pene, testiculo, escroto, epididimo, conducto deferente, vesícula seminal, prostata, urethra, glándulas bulburetrales, prepucio, glande, testículo, pene, penis, pene, la uretra, conducto eyaculador, La prostata, 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 prostata. La vejiga, la vejiga, la vejiga, la vejiga. Vesicula seminal, vesicula seminal, vesicula seminal, vesicula seminal, vesicula seminal. Túbulos seminiferos, células de Leydig, células de Sertoli, cordón espermático, pleso pampiniforme, conducto eyaculador, orificio uretral, perineo, región inguinal, conducto eyaculador, conducto eyaculador, conducto eyaculador. Let us now learn the main terms and phrases for the physiological processes pertaining to the male reproductive system. Eyaculación, eyaculación. Erección, erección. Producción de esperma. Spermatogenesis. Maduración espermática. Libido. Orgasmo. Reproducción sexual. Fertilización. Transporte de esperma. Testículo. Pene, pene, pene. Orificio uretral, orificio uretral. Glandes bulburetrales, glandes bulburetrales, glandes bulburetrales. Prostata, 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 prostata. Vejiga, 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 vejiga. Vesicula seminale, vesicula seminal, vesicula seminal. Émission, sécrétion prostatica, sécrétion séminale, fonction hormonale, production de testostérone, androgénésis, balance hormonale, ciclo reproductivo masculino, estimulación sexual, relaciones sexuales. By the end of this video, you'll be able to name at least 10 most common male reproductive health disorders. Dysfonction erectile, éjaculation précoce, eyaculación retrograda, infertilidad masculina, varicocele, hydrocele, epididymitis, orchitis, torsion testicular, cancer testicular, cancer de prostata, hyperplasia prostatica benigna, prostatitis, hipogonadismo, phimosis, paraphimosis, infección urinaria, enfermedad de transmisión sexual, virus del papiloma humano, VPH, clamidia, gonorrea, herpes genital, sífilis, VIH, SIDA, criptorquidia, micropene, hipospadias, espermatocele, anorgasmia, priapismo, dolor pélvico crónico. These logbooks are for all medical professionals, physicians, physician assistant, medical assistant, nurses, paramedical. Click on the link below to access them. Hematospermia, hematuria, incontinencia, dysuria, trastorno hormonal, diminution de la libido, dysfonction sexual, trauma testicular. In this reproductive health Spanish vocabulary video, we have studied the terms and phrases related to the key organs, the key processes, and the common conditions. Here is how you will make the most out of this video. For the first time, watch the video entirely. Then download the glossary. The glossary is both bilingual, Spanish and English. Follow along with the female reproductive system video if that's the first video you've watched. Then later at your convenience, watch the male reproductive system video and follow along later with the glossary since you already have it. If this male reproductive system video is your first video in the series, then after you complete everything, go and watch the female reproductive system vocabulary video as well. The two go hand in hand. Here is a recap for the male reproductive system Spanish vocabulary. There are 11 male reproductive parts here. Can you name 8 of them? Pause the video and see if you can name 8 of them. That will be your passing grade for this content. Try your best. Pause the video and try to name 8 of them. 8 parts out of the 11 presented here. Later, after downloading the bilingual glossary, you can check. See if you've done well by naming 8 of them correctly. Download your free glossary after watching this video. It's the first link in the description below. Want to learn medical Spanish faster? Click on the resource link below. Please do not forget to download the full glossary from the link in the description. And if you've gotten any value from this video, like it, share it with your friend, and please subscribe to the channel for more content on medical Spanish.